what's up, family? So today I am going to be showing you guys how I make a roast. Okay, so husband's gone for the week, kids are at school, we gotta eat. So something to just, you know, easily pull out the refrigerator whenever we want something. So I'm gonna make a roast today. So y'all take a look at how I make my roast. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Give me your recipes if you have better recipes, all right? So quick little story. So when my husband and I first got married and started living together, he used to always talk about how I would always cook crock pot meals. But I just love stuff in the crock pot. So I haven't cooked crock pot meals in a while. I did cook a roast about a month or so ago for me and the boys when he was gone. So I guess I'm doing it again, but I haven't cooked one in a while before that. And so I gotta get back to it. If y'all got some good crock pot recipes for me that I can get back to, let me know, because I really want to get back to my crock pot. So this is my crock pot. I'm a crock pot kind of girl. I like to leave it and go. So this is my crock pot, and I'm gonna show you the steps that I take to make my roast. All right, y'all. So a few things that I'm going to use. Again, this is the way I cook my roast. You may definitely cook your roast how you want to. So this is not a perfect way. I am using some bought ingredients, and that is not all natural, so whatever. Anyway, so first I'm going to have me some carrots, some little potatoes. I've got a couple of onion, and I've got a couple of packets of you know, slow cooker pot roast. This is so good. This really makes it really good. And I'm gonna use 1 pack of the beefy onion Lipton pack too. And then I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of brown gravy mix. Yep, like I said, I don't care how y'all make it. This is how I make it, okay? But I really do care how y'all make it. Let me know how y'all make it, if it tastes better than what I got. And then I've got my chuck roast. I like to use chuck roast. Mama always told me to use chuck roast. But before I get to it, I'm gonna wash my meat, and then I'm gonna stick it all in the pot, and I'll show you where to go from there. One other thing I'm going to use is a can of cream of mushroom, okay? So this is also what I'm going to use. All right, y'all, so I just washed my meat, and I thought I was recording, and I said, just so y'all know I'm not lying, I'm washing my meat. But I did just wash my meat, y'all, for real. I really did just wash my meat. And I've got it in my crock pot, ready for its seasonings. So I am going to go ahead and get to throwing my seasonings in there, okay? So first off, I am going to chop up my onion. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my packs of stuff in there, just so I can go ahead and have it. Like I said, I'm only using 1 pack of the beefy onion. I mean, it won't hurt to use 2, right? I might only use 2. Might well only use 2. Yeah. I love onion. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put my savory pot roast, McCormick herbs and spices, in a bowl of water. Well, not a bowl of water, but it says to put, Gotta find it first. Hold up. Okay, cup of water. A cup of water, y'all. A cup of water. I'm gonna put that in here. And what I do too with this and my gravy, I do it together. So I'm gonna put my 1 pack of, I'm gonna put my water in here first. Hold on, let me go get my water first, okay? Water, and then the same. This is 3 tablespoons to a cup of water. So my water is going to be used for both my slow cooker pack and my gravy. All right, so that's about a cup of water. Good enough. Okay, so I'm just going to mix it together. And this causes for 3 tablespoons. So I'm gonna put 3. If I have 3 tablespoons left of grilled. Now I've got just about, it's enough. Yeah, y'all don't judge me. This is how I cook. All right, so get me a little whisk here and whisk it all together. The kids love, and my husband, I actually say my husband some pot roast the last time, and he loved it too. He said actually it was the best pot roast that he had ever tasted in his life. Yes, he said it. Now I don't know if he said that because I'm his wife, but he said it. And I'm gonna take his word for it. All right, so got that all good and stirred up. I'm going to go ahead and pour this onto my roast. Look at all that goodness there. I'm gonna get all that out of there too. All right, now while I'm adding stuff, I like to go ahead and turn my crock pot on, and I'm gonna do 8 hours just because I love to just let it sit, and I'm gonna do it on high. I think that's high. Can't see yet. That's on high. And it's on high. So I got that. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my cream of mushroom. I got nails, y'all, so I'm gonna need a little assistance. There we go. And I'm just gonna pour that right on up in there. Just let it just, you know, splatter right on up in there. All right, so I'm just going to just kind of spread my little cream of mushroom over my meat there. Just spread it out just a little bit. Now what you could have done, you could have put your cream of mushroom. Oh, yep, that just splattered everywhere. Could have put your cream of mushroom in your gravy and water cup, whatever, and mixed it together. But yeah, nah. I like to come back later and mix it all together. So let me clean this little mess up I just made. Oh my gosh. So let me go ahead and chop my onions up. All right, this is how I cut my onion. Y'all cut your onion how you want to, okay? Cool. I'm gonna sharpen my knife first. Okie dokie smoky. So I'm gonna cut this little tail off there. Do a little peeling. My husband probably just be so irritated how I'm cutting and peeling this onion, but that's all right. It's all good. Oh, he's a chef, y'all, by the way. I'm just a, you know, sous chef and in training. So I got my little stem still on the back, or whatever you want to call it, and I'm just gonna cut here because I like the little, I like my onion sizes to be about that size on my roast. Why did I think with glasses on the onions wouldn't make my eyes water? Yep, still doing that. Okay. So my potatoes and carrots, just go ahead and tell you, I'm not gonna add those until the last 4 hours, because I just don't want them to be, you know, just like overly cooked. I mean, they're gonna be cooked, but I don't want them to be overly cooked. No, you know, you put it in there when you want to. But like I said, I'm gonna add mine in there in the last 4 hours. So I'll check it back at halftime is what I'm gonna call it, okay? So we'll check back at halftime on our onion and all that good stuff. So, I mean, on our roast and all that. So I'm gonna go. I know that look nasty right now to y'all. I don't care. But it's gonna be so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion. Now, I know I said I'm adding my other vegetables later, but I like to add my onion now because that's gonna give me my extra oniony flavor, whatever you want to call it, okay? And yeah, so 4 hours in, I'm gonna come back and kind of mix it all together, stir the onions underneath the gravy and all that good stuff. Yeah, so the last thing I'm gonna do before I close it up and let it get to cooking, I am going to add just a little bit of Nature's Seasons, okay? Just because we don't want no bland pot roast. All right, so I'm gonna mix that up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because like I said, I'm gonna come back and mix it all the way through in 4 hours. And so all that seasoning at least would be right there. But it's getting all that good other juices from my other stuff that I put up in there. So, all right, y'all. So I'll holler back at y'all in 4 hours. All right, y'all, what's up? So I'm back. I had to go get the boys. We've got 3.5 hours left on our roast. I'm about to wash my potatoes and my carrots, and then I will put them in my crock pot so we can. All right, well, we've been waiting for it. Take a look at our roast. All right. Woo, it's got a little foggy over here, huh? A little steamy. So let me wipe this off for you. All right, there we go. Can y'all see that? It is rumbling and tumbling. It's getting very tender. And I am going to, really quick, I'm gonna grab a fork. We're gonna see just how tender it is for now. Pull apart. And it's only gonna get even more tender. Sorry, y'all, I like to pull my fat off sometimes. I meant to trim it before I put it in there, but hey, whatever. But yeah, here we go. Still got some more tendering to do. But so far, it's looking really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Oh, got something on the screen. I'm gonna taste my gravy and such so I can, well, I'm gonna taste it for now and see what else I need to add. So, give me 1 second. Let's see. That's good. I'm gonna add a little bit more nature season, but overall that's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my veggies in there. So I'm gonna stir those, give those a good little stirring, or put some of that gravy in there. In 3 hours and 32 minutes. I'm excited and I'm ready to eat. So I'm gonna make some rice for my roast later. But that'll be a little later when it gets closer to being done. All right, see y'all back in a little bit. Fam, so it is an hour and 15 left on my roast, and it is smelling delicious.
Yeah,
right?
That does look delicious.
It smells delicious too, huh? It smell delicious, G? He over there doing homework.
I want some.
Oh yeah, you gonna get some. You gonna get some in an hour and 15 minutes. It might be ready now. Let me just check it. No. Oh yeah, that's ready. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all.
Oh,
take a look at that.
Hey, can I tell them something?
Hold on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision. So what I'm gonna do really quick now is I'm going to get me a knife. And I'm going to cut my carrot just to see how soft it is. It's actually soft enough. Not as soft as I would like it, but it's soft enough. I don't mind the crunch. I'm gonna leave it on for that hour and 15. But my potatoes, oh yeah, go straight through. So it is ready to go. So I'm gonna, after homework, I'm gonna make me some rice right now. So
you want a grape?
Okay, you can get a grape.
Mama, can I tell them something?
Yeah.
You guys want one? Here, have one. Nom 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 nom.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my rice so that I can get dinner ready for my children. I'm not gonna make cornbread because we have some Hawaiian rolls sitting over here, so we're not gonna make cornbread. So, yeah. See y'all in a minute. All right, fam, it is ready. The boys are eating. What y'all think?
It's good. I made a roast sandwich out of my roll and my roast.
Okay.
Too much roast?
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna put some.
Is it good?
I'm gonna put some soup on this baby.
Put it on your paper towel so you can listen.
All
right, so what y'all gotta say?
Great.
All right.
Love y'all.
All right, y'all. So thank y'all for tuning in. Stick with us. See what else we have in store for you all. But in the meantime, stay salty. And we'll talk to y'all soon. Love y'all.